Guys, did you know that the MLB M7 World Championship is about more than just intense battles? Yes, OnePlay has officially launched a stunning super collection of trading cards. Today, I have two different sets of physical cards with me.
The Elite Series Trading Card Collection and the Super Series Trading Card Official Sample.
This card features all M7 players. Okay guys, let's open it. The first one is Daylight. Wow! The next one, Poyet. Wow, the Team Aurora, Lunar, Rosa, and Pagu. Wow! Now for the main event, the Super Series. Let's unbox this exclusive sample. I'm so excited. Let's go!
Wow! First, I'm going to show you these are the sample cards. There are 14 card types with a total of 730 different designs which include the top 8 players, teams, the champions, and more. This card will be combined into different packs based on probability waiting for you to pull them at random. Today, I'm going to focus on the uniqueness and value of each specific card type. Below, you'll see the 14 cards types divided into B, A, S, SP, and so on. Here we go! The first look at the M7 Super Series. Wow! Look at the shimmer! The production value is on another level. To give you a clear look at the collection, I've sorted them into 4 distinct rarity tiers. B, A, S, and SP. Just look at the diversity across these sets. Each series tells a different story of the M7 journey. Take a look at these samples. This is SP cards. There are no signatures yet because we will be going to the venue to have the champion sign them in person. Isn't that exciting? Next, let's look at the level S cards. The with team card features the official logos of each team representing their core visual elements. We have also the materials card, showcases each team's jersey designs on the card face. You can actually feel the jersey material right there on the card. Next, let's look at the A-level cards. This category represent the teams themselves. For many fans, support isn't just about a single match but the collective spirit of the entire team. These cards serve as the identity tags for the teams at the M7 World Championship. The puzzle card, a highly engaging category. A single card might look like just a fragment, but once you collect them all, they form a complete team panorama. And the last one is the slogan card. Features the starting players from the 16 teams paired with their official team slogans. This series captures the starting lineup of all 16 participating teams, presenting them alongside their battle cries. Each card is a concentrated expression of a team's spirit and belief. Now, let's look at the B-level cards. First is the players card. This category records individual highlights moment of the players. You'll see their most iconic heroes and classic plays. Each card represents a player's signature moment on the M7 stage. Next is the logo card. This category full includes the team logos of every participating team in the M7 main event. It represents more than just a single match. It is the official identity of every team on the M7 stage. You can collect, trade, and even exchange them for limited edition merchandise. Since every card is unique and every serial number is the only one of its kind in the world, the collection value is absolutely through the roof. Do you want to own this world premier M7 Super Series trading card collection as well? Tell me in the comments which card you want to collect the most, and I might have some giveaways for you. For more details, make sure to follow at OnePlay Official. The S-Series pre-sale starts on January 26, and don't forget you can also visit oneplay.com to make a purchase. Don't miss out. Once they're gone, they're gone. Go get yours now. Good luck to everyone!